Hello, my name is Demetrius Kelly, and welcome to another episode of What the Block. Today, I want to discuss the map to table block. This block can be found under the table operations here on map to table. So, table operations again, all the way down to map to table. You can also type in map and you should be able to find it at the bottom here. So this table or this block can be used in conjunction with your symbols and repeaters. It's basically, you can use it to bring in table data into your symbol so you can display or use however you wish in your symbol. Now, the general way that we do this, we can do this a few ways actually. The first way I'll show you, and then I'll explain with the map to table block. So usually when people create symbols, you have a symbol here as an example, and this symbol does have properties. So if I go to the symbol properties here, we have name, value, and color. So if I say name is light, I can change that to light. I can change the value to whatever, and I can change the color. Okay. So now with a group and an actual table here, I do have a name, value, and color. Light 1, light 2, light 3, on, off, on, and a couple colors here. So with a repeater, I can basically take this group, set it as vertical, go down to the repeater section here. I'm going to drag this table and bind it to the data. And then this symbol here is test symbol. So I'm going to drag this test symbol out, and I'm going to put it into the group here. So after I hit enter, I have here this symbol here running in the repeater. So there are 3 symbols because there are 3 rows in the table. Now, what we can do is go to the renderer section of that group, and these are the same properties: the name, the value, and the color. So I can drag the name here, drag the value here, and drag the color here. So if you notice, all of these changed, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to accomplish the same thing, but with the map to table block. So if I go ahead and unbind all of these here. All right. Now this symbol here is the same symbol set up in the same way, except if I go into it, I have put a map to table block in the root of the symbol. If I place this block anywhere else, this will not work. So this must go onto the top or the root of that symbol, right? So now, with that being said, I will change this to symbol 2, because that's what this is here. This is symbol 2 with the map to table block in. I'm going to go into the group here. Now this has to work, this is in context of the group. So I'm going to double click on the first one here. So I'm now in the symbol. If you notice here, the map to table block, now it has a value to it. It actually has the table. So this is showing, since this is the first row, or row 0, we're at row 0, and these are the values for that row. So I can then go ahead and, instead of binding it from my properties, I'm going to straight bind it to the actual properties in each item here. So if you notice, we have light 1 on and green. So this symbol is now bind. Now if I go ahead and save that, if you notice here, this is all working properly with no bindings to the actual symbol itself. Now these bindings now will not work because it is now bound to the mapped table. So in a nutshell, that's basically how it works. This map to table can work for repeaters and your symbols. It can also work for data flow symbols as well. That's an entirely different thing that we'll probably have videos and other discussions about later. So that's that. Thank you very much and have a great day.